So yesterday I dropped like a video titled "A Week in My Life," and on the Tuesday of that video, the 2nd of January 2024, I took a trade and that trade resulted in a loss. But I feel like because I was shooting that video, I was able to like document that trade so well that I feel like for me to look back at this video in like a few years time, a few months time, and just look at like the way I used to think, I'll be like, damn, that's how I used to think. Will be like such a feat for me. So I just had to post it here because I genuinely find it interesting, and hopefully you guys find it interesting, like how I'm navigating, handling, managing this trade. So yeah, enjoy. So okay, we got that respected down from the weekly fair value gap. We're looking at this fair value gap right here, that 1,09941 level. That's my draw liquidity. Hopefully by today or tomorrow, I think it can be reached. Let's also look at the dollar. So when you see the dollar, we also have that movement to the upside. When I see price at least close below this level here, the 10153 level. When I see it closed way above it, probably around this inefficiency right here, which I didn't note. This one right there, that's the inefficiency I would like to see closed above. Then I feel like I'm gonna remove this one, or I'm just gonna adjust it to there. Nope, to there. I'm just assuming that this candle doesn't want to come down. But yeah, that's what we're pretty much looking at. I'm looking for lower price on Euro USD, and that's pretty much it. So let's see if today, so we'll see if today we get an entry opportunity, and if I do, I'm gonna let you know. Let's get it. We are in the charts. This seems what about right. I like how this candle right here, or like we can even ignore the candle, but this up close candle used to push price down. Like how we're respecting this fair value gap currently. In the morning, this is what I wrote. I was like, I'm looking for downside today. I'm looking at this as my terminus. I do not think price is going back to 104, meaning to that low of the weekly fair value gap. I don't think price is going back there. And this is what it is. Before London session, I think is what I said. Before London session. And if since it didn't reach there before London session, that means I don't think this fair value gap right here is gonna be touched. So I can enter a trade in this fair value gap, and my take profit will be here. But there's a part of me that just wants to wait to like the last not the last, like the last 10 minutes, like 10 minutes to 4. That's what I wanna wait for. But I don't know if I have that luxury of time, if I'm being honest. I went to the 1 minute, 5 minute, that can be a breakaway gap. Price is coming into this breaker right here. So price dropping down here wouldn't be ideal. I mean, it wouldn't be a surprise. But yeah, let me just enter the trade. Stop loss above the take profit there. If you get stopped out, it's okay. New order. Sell market. Baby.
Incoming mail.
Okay. I want stop loss above that swing high. Protecting myself against spread. Wait. I always like to see like what's the risk here. Above that swing high, protect myself against spread. Okay, we're risking 5. Let's go to a 4-hour so that we can, I think that's the place where the take profit is. Let's go verify that the structure. Is it the first daily favorite gap? Yeah. Okay. One day first fit. So that's the one we're looking at. Let's look at the midpoint of that favorite gap. So sorry. Oh no, here's the first one. That one also looks possible, but this is the one we're looking at. Okay. Okay, that means if it's this one, we can just set it right there. Okay, so we're in that trade. And we'll see. So I just want to take a screenshot now and just basically say what I'm looking at.
I do not want to see price go into, I'm going to change the color, I'm going to change the green favorite gap.
So yeah, can go to the 5 minutes and sort of do this. Silver bullets, and just like, oh, that's a balanced price range right there. So if price pushes above that, like if I was able to stay here and watch this price, if price closes above this fair value gap, you can trust that this is gonna fail, because this whole section here, that's a balanced price range. So we don't want to see like a fair value, we don't want to see a candlestick close above this fair value gap, you know. Yeah, even this is too much. If anything, you want to see it remain open, but this is allowed. So yeah, I feel like I'm actually even gonna reduce my stop just because I know I'm gonna watch it. Can trust that. I don't like spread. That's my problem. That's the one we're looking at here. There's look at that. Yeah, got stopped out by spread because what I want me to stop me out is this, but we won't re-enter. We'll just watch it and see what happens. Cool. Okay, I just got stopped out as you saw, but I might re-enter because that 5 minute candlestick, I should really get back to work. That 5 minute candlestick still is exactly where I want it to be, and stop loss above this high. We'll just leave the take profit because it's still the same, right? For example, you see, it's like it's yeah, the screen is recording. Yeah, that favorite gap silver bullet we marked out went tapped into the green favorite gap on the 1 hour, came back down. The way it closed, I like it. That's still a balanced price range. That means my stop must just be that high. The reason why I like make my stop a bit high is because I'm trying to like consider spread, you know, because spread is a you know, but yeah, I'm gonna trust it, and I'm gonna worry about this trade less. Let's see what happens during the rest of the day. not gonna lie to you, the fact that I have like errands to like run is sort of an advantage, because like I don't know, man, it's not the first time like I hit a stop loss and re-enter. It's not the first time, but for some other reason I'm anxious with this one. So the fact that I'm not able to like look at the charts and just like trust like the PDRA and my daily buyers, it's kind of dope, so yeah, we'll check like the last 10 minutes of like this hour, then hopefully everything's okay. But yeah, man, let's run this errand. Okay, let's see what they say. Oh my word, look at this consolidation they're holding price in. Literally looks like they don't want price to go anywhere, bro. Literally. We're on the 5 minute. Like, yeah, they're respecting that fair value gap. I'm really willing to bet that they're respecting midpoint of the fair value gap right there. Look at that, all candlesticks. Which one is it? I think it's 50-50. Yeah. Look at that midpoint of that fair value gap. Can we go on the 1 minute and see if we got any entry? That fair value gap right there. Can we mark out this? Because this was wanted to start hunting. That means I could have hunted for like a setup here. That fair value gap would have tried to take it. So now I'm watching if like gonna take out this high or not. I mean, they took it out. The way price looks like they took it out and they closed midpoint of that. Honestly, it's moments like this where I just want to cut off the trade because I don't like what I'm seeing. Let's see 5 minutes. I mean, see, I'm feeling iffy about it, so I'm just gonna cut the trade right now. I'm just gonna cut the trade right now. Because with me, man, like if I'm able to like watch the price during like specific hours, like the London session first hour, I wanna see price behave in a certain way. And once it does not behave that way, it makes me feel like uncomfortable, and at that point I'm better off just watching price from the sidelines. In this case, I'm just gonna come back during New York session and see how they delivered it. But this is the markets I can't be in right now. The next 10 minutes are also important, but we'll just see them afterwards. But do I think the bias has changed? Unless it's like a level right here that I don't know of, I'm still convinced that there's if old favorite gap being used as inversion right here on the hour, this one right here. But other than that, I don't think I trust it enough to like change my sentiment. Yeah, there's a 4-hour favorite gap right there, which looks like they're respecting. Okay, that's worthy of respect. Do we think the dollar is still going up? Honestly, dollar still looks like it's going up. It came back into this old favorite gap on the daily. Yeah, with a volume imbalance. So yeah, still upside. The upside might still not be today, but we're very interested to see where price goes on. So we'll see if during the London during the New York session price is still interested in going up. Okay. And then my laptop just switched off like on me, like in a weird way. Oh, look at that delivery. Look at that delivery. Pushed beyond levels I couldn't imagine. And I'm pretty sure they did it within the first 10 minutes of the next hour. There's the 10 minutes within the next hour. Just goes to a minute. Okay, let me go. So I'm keeping the suspense, yeah. But beautiful. Okay, it's not within the first 10 minutes. So that means there was no way I was gonna enter. Okay, cool. Let me show you guys then. And we are there. It delivered way beyond what I was looking for. It didn't reach the level that I called out in the morning. It's just that entry, you see. That entry is not necessarily a problem. I just know, like, with experience, I'll be able to read those candlesticks much more better. And obviously there was all my own trust issues with the market, isn't like seeing this fair value gap here on the 1 minute. Seeing this fair value gap on the 1 minute being used like this, I didn't like it. Seeing this silver bullet being used like that, I did not like it. And those are valid reasons for me to get out of a trade. But regardless, I'm happy with the outcome, you know, delivered to the direction I called. It's just once I'm able to like call out, once I'm able to like know my other entry patterns, it's kind of dope. For now, can't wait to review / log this trade before I sleep. But regardless, like beautiful price delivery. I can't even lie, like beautiful. Like just that tap into the fair value gap. I wonder if we can consider it like a institution audit drill, but like so beautiful. Just that tap there, and it just flew.